So we tried that on example 5. Let's do that again on example 6. So do the same for the ID as well. And we can see that it's also done that. But how come it's also done this on this one as well? Because that's the same thing that is vulnerable, right? It's just another example of which we can use this SQL code to dump that information, which is pretty amazing. Stay tuned for more videos like this. And also, you can also try other SQL queries to practice, your other SQL. Just a quick tip here. If you go search up GitHub, and then you type in SQL injection payloads, there is a list that you can go check out, which is available on GitHub. It's a list of SQL injection payloads, which you can use in the parameters. So you can see here, here's a list of generic SQL injection payloads, which you can use on any application to test the vulnerability. But for this scenario, this one will work. The one at the top, which we've tried, also works on example 6.